In order to solve all these problems, we should use API gateways between client and internal microservices. API gateway is a single point of entry to the client applications. API gateway sits between the client and multiple backend services and manages routing to internal microservices. API gateway provides several important functions. For example, API gateways can handle cross-cutting concerns like authentication, authorization, protocol translation, rate limiting, logging, monitoring, load balancing, and so on. So instead of developing all these cross-cutting concerns into every microservices, they can handle in centralized API gateways and send to internal microservices. Also, API gateway manages routing to the internal microservices and able to aggregate several microservices requests in one response. So you can see the image on the slide. If we check our current design, we should also put API gateway between client applications and internal microservices. But before deep dive into API gateway, we should learn principles and patterns about the API gateway. There are three main patterns which becomes an API gateway features. These are the gateway routing pattern, gateway aggregation pattern, and gateway offloading pattern. So before deep dive into API gateway, we should understand the underlying principles and patterns from the API gateway pattern.